Hi guys, what's up today? February 1st, 2020, and it's a Saturday. 2:15. I'm just walking around Okotoks. It just poured rain a few minutes ago, just let up now. But very seldom we get rain out here in February. But it was 6 degrees, so warm enough for rain, but smells a little fresh now. A lot of new construction over there. And we're just going to walk down here a little bit. And we got looking towards the south. And we got a pond over here. Looks like it's really melting the ice out there. Don't think I want to go on it now, but it was pretty solid before. But all this warm weather we've been having the last few days, everything's melting now. And see here, the pathways are all clear. Snow is going down. More new construction. Stormwater facility. Water contact prohibited. Stay clearing during and after rainfall. Okay, I'll do that. Oh wow, look at this. Like a river coming down here now. After all that rain we've had. All heading down into the pond. And there's the pond. Yeah, she's really melted the last few days. I'll just walk up here a little bit. Yeah, I just been touring around a little bit today, and then I just over on the other side of town and walking along the Sheep River and on the south side of it, and got some still pictures, and then I just got back to the car and started pouring rain, so I just made it back in time there. Yeah, it quit now. It didn't last long. Anyways, probably about half an hour it rained, and now it's let up. Looking back. Looking over that way, it'd be Calgary way over there, about 10-minute drive. This pathway goes all the way around the lake. I think it's fairly new here. It looks like it's fresh construction. I don't think it was here a couple years ago. Yeah, getting some weird weather here, getting it really warm for this time of year, and a couple weeks ago we were 30 below. Now there's flooding everywhere. Well, guys, I don't want to bore you too much, so I figure I'll just show a little bit what it's like out here. A little overcast out. It was sunny this morning. A little bit of blue sky over there. But when I got up, the sun was shining brightly, and then it kind of got overcast and got this rain, and almost the snow down here is gone. A couple weeks ago, people were tobogganing down there. Yep, okay guys, I'm gonna shut her down, so over and out. Have a great day. Bye for